Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to use portable hotspot on this phone. So firstly, you need to open control panel and open settings. Then here you will see connection and sharing, and here you will see personal hotspot. Here you can set up the name of your hotspot, you can set up the password of your hotspot and AP band. You can use 2 and 4 GHz band or 5 GHz band. 2 and 4 GHz is better to provide signal through the walls, and if you want to provide signal on long distance, 2 and 4 GHz is better. But if you want to connect 3, 4, 5 devices to your hotspot, I suggest to use 5 GHz because this network is wider, and in this way you will have a better internet connection, better internet speed on your connected devices. Of course, you can use Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, but old devices are not supporting this Wi-Fi 6 feature, so all devices will not see your hotspot. And of course, very old devices will not see 5 GHz band too, so very old devices will see only 2 and 4 GHz band. And then click OK and just enable personal hotspot. Here you will see your QR code to connect devices, so you can use the camera on your in-house device to connect to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.